Started the strip down of the turbo and pipe and everything's out for welding. Got the wiring also pulled apart. Just trying to separate the headlight wiring and from all the other stuff, the airflow meters and the O2 sensors. Just set this up in the on the bench here, getting ready to weld the last 2 V-band flanges. So righto, done most of the top side of that now. I'll just rotate the pipe over in a second and I'll weld the rest out. That was running the purge line at 7 CFH flow, I think it was. Got the inner guard out, just roughing the wiring in a bit at the moment. We've extended a fair few, like the ABS sensor wiring, and what else have we done? Extended any of the shorter ones anyway, so we're just trying to rough in the lengths for the aircon and power steer now. Tidied all this up a bit, pulled all the lines through, all the plugs through for the old airflow meters and wideband, and tucked them up under in here. So yeah, I'm gonna start wiring all these plugs back in. So that's all the headlight plugs there. Got to extend all the wires and tidy all the looming up to it. Try and make it all neat. Try and find somewhere to run the wires to the 2 sensors down here. Pretty neat, hopefully. So I've got half of the headlight plug extended and taped up. I'm not sure if I'm going to untape it and tape them both together, but I needed to get a bit of a length on it, make sure it was all about the right length at the moment. Still got to extend the other side of the headlight wiring. And then I've got to do the AC compressor and the power steer. It taps into the headlight wiring apparently, from what I can work out. That wire there. I've also run a couple extra wires in the loom for boost control or whatever I need later on. There's 2 extras there, this brown and white. Yes. Yeah, you might think this is a bit rough, but that's how I'm going to run it. It's siliconed up on that guard, and then the inner guard will go in to cover all that up. But yeah, the foil can be removed after the silicone goes off. Just about burnt a whole bottle of gas up. Been on the purge welding. Been a bit on and off. Having a bit of trouble here and there, but getting it done. That's pretty much all done. I think I'll give it a quick check over, and then yeah, that can be bolted back up. Got to get the wastegate here ready, get the lines set up for the Mac valve for the boost control. So sort the fittings out in the ports there. 50mm turbo smart gate. Righto, I'll show you around the new intake. I just finished fabricating, and the water turbo drain line. I got the engine fan in there for checking clearances and stuff. Ended up going with a banjo bolt for the water line for the strut clearance. And dump pipes back in. Sort of starting to get on top of it a bit. Wiring's in. Got the Mac valve in there too. So yeah, we'll start to hose that Mac valve up. Be one of the next jobs. Try and get the hosing set up for it. We go get a couple more fittings for the wastegate, because I'll assemble the wastegate with the hoses on it, and then run them up. I'll probably use JIC fittings maybe in there.